So friends, this is the site where I'm going to collect the water sample. It is actually not a pond but a small puddle or an still water area near a riverside. The water is stagnant over here, so I'm going to collect the water samples from here. I have brought a glass bottle with me and I'm taking the very low part of this puddle water, the part which contains the mud and the sand is also. If I take the above clear water, the chances of getting of organisms are low in number. So it's done. Let's get back home. So I'm going to show you what we can find in it. So as you all can see, it is an diatom and it is an algae. Its sizes range from about 20 microns to 200 microns. They are found in waterways and they have beautiful cell walls, as you all can see in the video also. And as when they die, they produce a thick layer of calcium like things, which is known as diatomeous earth, and it is used in some household things also. So our second animals comes is a Rotifer. So it is an protozoa, it is an protist. So and their mouth structure is like a vacuum which pulls some external substances, and just like this, as you all can see in the video, just like that, and it engulfs the edible products and it repels the unneeded particles. So these all are algae blooms, and here not only single species is present but a lot. Some are Polycharium, some are Chlamydomonas, some are Spirogyra, and these all are placed in the phylum Chlorophytes. So these all are algae. These all are green algae. So these all are beautiful, or we can say very beautiful. So here comes our Aeliosoma, and I've shown you this organism before in my previous video, what lives in your bathroom floor. And these are transparent annelids, pretty much uglier, and yes, some people often find them ugly. They usually reside in freshwater ponds and lakes, and they do not occur in salt water. They only occur in fresh water. So they are pretty much similar to an earthworm. And this is our nematode, and it is similar to that Aeliosoma, but it is placed, or it falls under a different class named Nematode, and it's pretty much different than that Aeliosoma. Aeliosoma falls in annelids and this nematode falls in Nematode. So they are pretty much like earthworm, and some people misunderstood them as earthworm. So they usually resides in fresh water and sometimes in salty water also. So they are pretty much ugly. So here comes our volvox. As you all can see, that novel coronavirus like thing, that is actually a volvox. It's a green algae, and they move circular like that, yes. And that ball-like thing is formed by many algae. When many algae attach to each other, they form that ball-like thing, and they are usually found in colonies. And in their colonies, their number can range up to 50,000 individual ball-like thing. Yes, 50,000 ball-like thing individual. So they are quite like novel coronavirus. They are quite like football. I don't know. They are very interesting organism. So as I mentioned you in the previous part of this video, I've talked about green algae also, and yes, these volvox also fall in that group only. So they were first described by Antoine van Leeuwenhoek. So as you all can see, they are very interesting, and one nematode is floating between them. As you all can see, they usually are found in colonies. Many volvox are floating around. Some ciliates are. Our last but not least organism, which is ciliate, and it is actually a group of microscopic animals in which parameciums, verticillias, stentors fall in. So I've made a video on how to find a paramecium. You can go and check it in my channel page. So as you all can see, those small ticks like floating things in the water, that's actually a ciliate. So these all are the ciliates.